Scene 1. Jupiter's Moon Empire. Jupiter has 95 confirmed moons. 4 of them, the Galilean moons, are so massive they'd be planets if they orbited the Sun. These moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are more than celestial rocks. They have oceans, volcanoes, magnetic fields, and possibly life. Now imagine a Jupiter-sized Earth with similar gravitational pull. It wouldn't just attract space debris. It could capture moons or form them during planetary evolution. Earth, reborn as a gas giant, could become a lord of moons. Scene 2. How moons are born. There are 3 main ways moons form. Co-formation, forming alongside the planet in its birth disk. Capture, pulling in nearby asteroids or dwarf planets. Collision, like our moon, born from a giant impact. A super-Earth with strong gravity would likely form dozens of moons during its chaotic youth, or steal them later through gravitational encounters. Asteroids, rogue bodies, even other planets' moons could be lured into its orbit. Over billions of years, Earth's sky would fill with a diverse cast of satellites. Scene 3. Life on the moons of Earth. Some of these moons might be rocky, others icy. But if Earth is massive and warm, it could create powerful tidal heating, like what happens on Jupiter's moon Io. That means volcanic moons with lava oceans and unstable crusts, or subsurface oceans like Europa, hidden beneath frozen shells, warmed from below. These moons might evolve life of their own, independent ecosystems, alien biospheres, strange evolution shaped by extreme environments. And one day, we might live on them. Scene 4. The rise of a lunar civilization. If Earth has a dozen or more moons, some of them would be colonizable. They'd be easier to reach than Mars. Smaller gravity wells, more frequent launch windows, and constant visibility from Earth. Imagine floating cities above frozen lakes, under-ice colonies glowing in Europa-like oceans, mining operations on metallic moons, entire civilizations rotating around a blue giant in the sky. Earth wouldn't be just a home planet, it would be the capital of an orbital empire. Scene 5. Orbital mechanics and moon madness. But there's a problem. Too many moons, and things get complicated. Moons tug on each other, orbits shift, collisions happen. Over time, some might crash into Earth, fall into the atmosphere, or get ejected into space. To survive long-term, these moons would need careful orbital spacing, or maybe human intervention using orbital engineering. With advanced tech, we could stabilize moon orbits, terraform surfaces, create artificial satellites to balance gravity. We'd become architects of a lunar system. Scene 6. A sky filled with stories. From Earth's surface, the night sky would be alive. Dozens of moons, each with its own orbit, color, brightness. Some rising together, some eclipsing others. A constant, moving canvas. Calendars would be lunar-based. Cultures would associate different moons with different emotions, deities, or omens. And explorers would look up, not toward distant stars, but toward worlds just overhead. Moons you could see and touch. The human dream of living among the stars? It would start right above us. Scene 7. Earth, the center of a lunar nation. This version of Earth isn't lonely. It's a hub, a beacon, a parent to a family of moons, each unique, each alive in its own way. We'd build spaceports to connect them, trade routes, defense systems, research outposts studying alien geology, chemistry, and perhaps alien biology. Earth would no longer be just a planet. It would be a system, and humanity would become multi-world. Outro. Emotional, awe-filled music fades in. So what if Earth had its own moon system? It would change everything. Our skies, our science, our future. And as we stand beneath the glow of a giant blue world, encircled by rings and followed by moons, we'd remember we were once a single planet, but we dreamed bigger.